Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our fourth online lecture of subject Biology Class 9 Federal Board of chapter number 1 Introduction to Biology. Dear student, today our topic of discussion is the level of organization. Following are the level of organization which biologists use to study various phenomena of life. Number 1, subatomic and atomic level. The molecular level, organelle and the cell level, tissue level, organ and organ system level, individual level, population level, community level, and the last one, biosphere level. Dear student, the next level is the atomic level. Atomic level, basically, it is the basic unit or the component of organization in both living and non-living objects in an atom. So, an atom is of course further made up of still smaller particle, that is like electron, proton and neutron. When many atoms are combined with each other, they form elements, and approximate 109 elements are discovered. Out of 109, 16 are considered as a bioelement, out of which 6 are considered as the most important elements or the bioelement, that is number 1 is carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus and sulfur. Dear student, the next level is the molecular level. When many atoms combine with one another, they form the molecules. Example are the micromolecules, for example, the water, the salt, or which is called as the sodium chloride, and glucose. But some elements or molecules are called as or considered as the macromolecule because they have a high molecular weight. For example, the protein, the carbohydrates and lipids. These all are large in size and biologically very important molecules inside the cell. The carbohydrates, the lipids, the proteins and the nucleic acid, they all are the very major part of all living organisms. So that's why they are called as the biomolecule. The next level is the organelle and the cell level. When many biomolecules combine and they form the organelles. These organelles are assembled together and form units of a life called as a cell, and each organelle of a cell perform a specific function. For example, the ribosome, which is called as the protein factory because it synthesizes or made many different kind of proteins that are required by the plant cell or the animal cell. And the second one is the mitochondria, which is called as the powerhouse of the cell because it supplies energy to the cell. This is the simple structure of a cell, diagram of the cell or cross section of an animal cell. Here we see the different organ or the organelles of a cell. The vacuoles are there, the mitochondria are there, the Golgi bodies are there, etc. These all are called as the cell organelles that all are combined with each other and they form a single cell. The next level is the tissue level. Tissue level, basically in multicellular organism, the cell may be similar or organized into a distinct functional unit which is the muscular tissue that are responsible to contract and relax and help in the movement, and the last one is the neural tissue that are responsible to transmit messages from all parts of the body towards brain. So this is the structure of the simple tissues. Here, what are tissues? A group of a cell that work together to perform a function. The next level is the organ level. Organ level basically when two or more tissues are organized into a distinct structures that are called as the organs. Organs are specialized for performing one or more functions. For example, heart. Heart is considered as the pumping organ, and leaves, they are responsible to synthesize the food by the process of photosynthesis. In this picture, we really see that the different organs. Dear student, the next level is the organ system level. The organ level system is organized when two or more than two organs coordinate their activities towards a common activity, for example, digestive system and respiratory system. In this diagram, we easily see that different systems that are present in the human body, just like the skeletal system, the muscular system, the digestive system, respiratory system, the nervous system, and circulatory system. These all different systems perform different activities of our body. Dear student, the next level is the organism level or individual level. Living beings are called as organisms because they possess high level of organization. They are called individual as each organism has a distinct intellect or individuality. For example, animals are totally different from the fungi. Fungi is totally different from the animals. The plants have another organism and bacteria are another organism, and they all are different from each other and they have their own individuality. Dear student, the next level is the population level. All the individuals of a species found in an area where they can interact with one another is called as population. Here, the population of the fishes, all organisms of the same species that live in a particular area in a particular time, they are considered as the population or the population level. Dear student, the next level is the community level. The population of different species found in an area also interact with one another. They constitute a biotic community or community. In this diagram, we easily see that there are the many population of different species, just like the species of the plants, just like species of the animals or the aquatic animals. They all are the different species that live together, they interact with each other, and they collectively form a community or the biotic community of a system. Dear student, the last level is the biosphere level. The part of the earth that inhabited by organism communities is known as the biosphere. It constitutes all ecosystem, yeah, all types of ecosystem. In this diagram, we easily see that from the bottom of the sea, above the sea level, where anything can live, is considered as a biosphere level. So organism, when many population combine communities combine they form the ecosystem, and ecosystem combine they form the biomes, and all the living and all the area where any living organism can live is considered as the biosphere level or the biosphere.